Hello and welcome back to CryptoBit, your go-to channel for all things related to cryptocurrencies. In today's video, we're going to be discussing an exciting topic that has been making waves in the education industry. Can GPT-4 revolutionize the education industry? Introduction to GPT-4. Firstly, let's get a quick introduction to GPT-4. GPT-4 is the latest version of the AI language model developed by OpenAI, which is known for its natural language processing capabilities. It is designed to learn from massive amounts of data and generate text that is almost indistinguishable from that written by humans. GPT-4 has some exciting new features that make it stand out from its predecessors, such as its ability to generate up to 25,000 words of text and understand images. With such powerful capabilities, GPT-4 has the potential to transform the way education is delivered and accessed. As an AI-powered language model, GPT-4 has the ability to understand natural language and generate text that is contextually relevant and easy to understand. This makes it an ideal tool for educators who are looking to improve the quality of education and make it more accessible to students. GPT-4 in education. Now, let's talk about GPT-4 and its potential in the education industry. One of the most exciting things about GPT-4 is its ability to teach a wide range of subjects and provide personalized learning experiences for students. With its advanced language capabilities, GPT-4 can generate text that is natural sounding and contextually relevant, making it an effective tool for teaching various subjects. GPT-4 can also create personalized assignments and assessments based on a student's learning progress, and can provide immediate feedback to help students improve their understanding of the subject. This makes learning more efficient, effective, and engaging for students, which is a significant benefit for educators. Another advantage of GPT-4 in education is its ability to adapt to the needs of individual learners. With the help of machine learning algorithms, GPT-4 can analyze a student's learning style and adapt the content to meet their specific needs. This makes it possible to create personalized learning experiences that are tailored to each student's abilities and interests. Collaboration with GPT-4. Another area where GPT-4 can revolutionize education is through collaboration. GPT-4 can collaborate with teachers and students to create high-quality content quickly and efficiently. It can generate, edit, and iterate with users to create content that is contextually relevant and consistent with the input text. This can be especially helpful for educators who want to create educational resources quickly, or for students who want to collaborate on a project. Moreover, GPT-4 can also act as an assistant to teachers, helping them manage administrative tasks and providing them with valuable insights into student performance. This can save teachers time and help them identify areas where students need additional support. GPT-4 limitations. Although GPT-4 has tremendous potential in the education industry, it is not without limitations. One significant limitation is its inability to understand and generate emotional content accurately. This means that while it can generate text that is consistent with the input text, it may not be able to capture the emotional tone of the text accurately. Additionally, GPT-4 may not be accessible to everyone, as it requires advanced computing resources to operate effectively. This could limit its adoption in schools or educational institutions that do not have access to these resources. In conclusion, GPT-4 has the potential to revolutionize the education industry by providing personalized learning experiences for students, generating high-quality educational resources quickly and efficiently, and collaborating with educators and students. Additionally, GPT-4 could also benefit teachers in terms of workload. With its ability to generate personalized assignments and assessments, teachers could save time and effort in grading and lesson planning. This would allow them to focus on other important aspects of teaching, such as individual student support and classroom management. Furthermore, GPT-4 has the potential to level the playing field in terms of education access. With its ability to provide personalized learning experiences, GPT-4 can cater to students of varying levels and backgrounds, regardless of where they are located. This is especially important in remote areas where access to quality education is limited. However, as with any emerging technology, there are potential ethical concerns that need to be addressed. One of the main concerns is the potential for bias in the training data used to develop GPT-4. If the data used to train GPT-4 is biased, then the generated text could perpetuate that bias. This could have negative consequences, such as reinforcing stereotypes or limiting opportunities for certain groups of people. Another concern is the potential misuse of GPT-4 for malicious purposes, such as the creation of fake news or propaganda. This could have serious consequences for society, as it could spread misinformation and cause harm. In conclusion, GPT-4 has the potential to revolutionize the education industry by providing personalized learning experiences, generating high-quality educational resources, and collaborating with educators and students. However, it's important to address the potential ethical concerns associated with this technology to ensure that it is used ethically and responsibly. Thank you for watching this video on Can GPT-4 revolutionize the education industry? If you found this video informative and engaging, please hit the like button and subscribe to CryptoBit for more videos on the exciting world of cryptocurrencies and artificial intelligence. We hope you learned something new about how GPT-4 can change the future of education.